Hello everyone. Today is not a building project. I'm showing you how I take apart a pallet because we've got a big project coming up. Or two big projects coming up. And I've got two more pallets over there I'm going to break up as well. But I thought I'll show you how I break up a pallet with 4 tools. Might have to use like a punch or something for a nail snap or something, I don't know. But I'm going to be showing you how I do it with just basic 4 tools. You got a little mallet, banging the wood out, a hammer, some grippers and pliers, but these ones I use to get the nails out, so they're not important to me. It's just these two. This one I'll be hammering the sides, loosening them up so I can pry them off, and then I'll go to the denailing stage. So I'm going to do this pallet on camera. I'll show you how I put them off, get the nails out, and then I'll show you when I've done them all. See how much wood I got, how much useful wood, and yeah, not going to be much talking in this one. Plus, if I had like a pallet buster or something, this would be done a lot faster, but I'm going to show you how you can do it just with bare minimum tools. Bare minimum, you know. Right, so first thing I'm going to do, like I say, this is not a how-to, it's just how I do it. A lot of people got their own ways of doing it. Just going to put my table up and show you the next bit. So now we've got the whole pallet separated. So now I'm just going to go through all of them, ensure all the nails are out. And that, I'm just going to place them there for now. this is where you need. This is where you're going to need these two sets. Then you need your grippers, your hammer. You're basically just going to get them up. Sometimes you need to straighten them up, so you make it a little easier. Sometimes I just hold them. Do that sometimes is a lot easier. Anyway, I'll let you know when I'm done. It's about almost 2:10. This shouldn't take me too long. Right, we've done it. It took us about, just a little under an hour, but I did have a break. Yeah, and we got all this useful wood to use. Some of it needs a bit of cleaning, like the ends need a bit of chopping here, and they all need a bit of planing. But yeah, I'm going to do the other two. One of them hasn't got as much wood as the other ones, but I'll show you how much wood I have at the end of it. But that is how I take a pallet apart with like a bare minimum tools. So I'll see you in the next part. Oh, and I do tend to save some of these, because I do like using them for like table legs or blocks on the bottom of a piece of build or something. But like sometimes it's just hard to get the nails out. I had one, I don't know where I put it, the nail head broke off, and I couldn't get it out of me. So I'm gonna try and get the nails out, but if not, I do have loads of these. Anyway, I'll show you how much I've got left after I've done my last two. Alright guys, I've finished all my pallets. The mallets over there. Oh my god. But yeah, this is 3 load of pallets. Will need some cleaning up and the edges. Some of the edges need to be cut, but yeah, I thought I'd show you how I take pallets apart with some just easy tools. I won't set you back too much. And yeah, of course it's a lot easier with the proper tools, but if you can't get them, or you just don't want to spend the money on it, then this well easy. But anyway, if you like the video, leave a like. If you like what you see and you want to keep seeing, then hit the subscribe button. It is free and it does help me out. But anyway guys, all this is for another project coming up, so stay tuned for that one. Take it easy guys.